Learning and development is changing fast, and AI is the reason why. So let's explore what's coming.
So, how are L&D pros feeling about the future? Well, a new survey shows they're incredibly optimistic. And a lot of that optimism comes from AI. It's not a question of if, but how to respond. But before we can really leverage AI, we have to address the challenges with our traditional models. For a long time, these models have been rigid and slow, creating a real lag in skill development.
The old event-based model just doesn't cut it anymore. We need learning that's continuous and personalized. Now, bringing in AI isn't a silver bullet. We have to think about data bias, ethics, and access. So, to move forward, we need a completely new playbook, one that's all about performance and impact. First up is this idea of continual learning. It's about building in time for reflection. And second, we need to aim for readiness. Can you actually use the skill? That's what matters. The new approach uses AI and data to redesign L&D into a core performance engine. This is huge. We have to stop measuring completions and start measuring actual impact on performance. Okay, so this new strategy is going to completely shake up the technology we all use for learning. And get this, by 2030, the Learning Management System, or LMS, will be far less important. The future isn't about going to a place to learn. It's about learning that's just there. This is ambient learning. It's baked right into the tools that you're using every single day. We're also seeing another trend, L&D as a service models, which offer specialized external expertise. So, if you're an L&D pro, what does all this mean for your job and the skills you need? It's a huge shift from being a content expert to being a context expert who enables performance. L&D teams now need new capabilities in data, experience design, and human-centered transformation. And for you personally, building a professional brand that shows your value is going to be absolutely critical. But this also opens up some really cool new career paths, like in people analytics or coaching. So, here's the big question. If AI handles the what and the how, does L&D's future lie in the why